Ah, shit. Sorry, man. We're back. Thank you, Greg. Apologies, guys. I didn't realize I had the mic muted. But yeah, good to have you guys back on stream. Back for another day. We just had that pound news come out just now. March CPI 10.1% versus 9.8 as expected. So pound yen is seeing a slight push up right now, which is good. Gonna get some nice volume today in London, which is what we want. So we're gonna have a good day. A good day today. Why is my desk all wet? But I'll wait a few more minutes. I'll let a few more people join. But I hope you guys who are here are doing well and you're having a good start to the week. Yeah, pound yen. Pound yen with the 4-hour push, 4-hour resistance. All right. Maybe we've got 10 people. I'm gonna let a few more people join. A lot of the Australian guys still work at 5 now, so people are joining a little later on. So I'll let 15, 20 people join. And I'll start sharing my screen. Michael, good morning. Good to have you here, man. Good morning to you. Right, let me just get the zoom up. Ready to go. Yeah, pushing. All right, let's get it going. Invite, copy link. How many people we got? 13 people, 14 people. Let's let a few more people join and I'll start sharing my screen. Oh, pound yen pushing real hard. Gold is hourly support. Pound yen broke that resistance, 50 push up in this current 5-minute candle. Beautiful, beautiful. How many pips is this candle? Look at that. Current candle in pound yen sitting around 40 pips. Very, very nice. I'm not in pound yen. I don't trade the news, but it's nice to see some volume. But let me close my windows now. But yeah, also guys, this will be the only YouTube live of the week because tomorrow I'm going to Thailand, so I'm going to be traveling for the entire day, and then on Friday I'll just be getting set up, so I won't be on YouTube live stream. So today's the only stream of the week on YouTube, so hopefully we'll have a good week, a good day, make some good bank. We had a lovely trade on gold yesterday, smashed about 25 pips on gold. So far this week the markets are looking good. We had a lovely 200 pip drop short on gold as well that we just got stopped at break even on Monday. So one break even, one W this week on gold, which is very, very nice. So only 2 days into the week and we've had 2 trades, one break even, one winner. Very, very nice. And our break even on gold was very unfortunate because gold played out exactly as expected and smashed like 200 pips. It was insane. So hopefully today is Wednesday. We'll get some nice positions. Pound yen still run high. I'm not too interested in pound yen today. I'm more interested in gold. Remember guys, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen and we'll start making some bank. Get them likes up. A little like for the stream. 17 people. Alright, let me just tell everyone we're live. Four likes, look at that. 6 more. And we'll start sharing. Morning Rami. Travel safe, thank you man. I will do. I'm looking forward to it. This trip's been planned for like 4 months, so it's finally good to make it happen. Michael, yeah, get liking, people, get liking. 2 more likes and I'll start sharing my screen. Alright, let's just do it. Alright, who's joining? The Zoom. Let me start sharing my screen on Zoom. Yeah. Boom. It's free, Michael, tell him. Tell him, man, it's free. Doesn't cost to drop it a like. And you're going to make some bank today. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's get the boys over here. Pound yen pushing. Look at that, pound yen. What's going on, boys? The boys are here. Got how many people? Why is there only 4 people? Where's everyone? Where's everyone sleeping on London? There you go, there's Jack.
Slacking on that safety.
Oh man, tell me about it. That's fucking annoying. There's the chat. Blake, how's it going, man? Yeah, I'm good, thank you, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Pound yen with the push. I'll let a few more people join. I'll start breaking down the charts. There you go. Here's Michael, George. The boys are joining now. Let's get it, Jack. Let's get it. Let's get that bread today. Absolutely. All right. Let's just do it. People can join. They can join. So yeah, pound yen's having a big push up off the back of that pound news. Yo, Michael, what's going on, man? So I'm not interested in pound yen. I think pound yen is just going to keep pushing. It needs a lot more time. I'm more interested in potential gold trades. So let's just make gold a little bit bigger. So gold's sitting around this support here. Very key level here, support, broken, resistance, support, broken, holding. Just broken it and retested, so gold is having a slight push down right now, but it's not moved just too much yet. I was watching gold in Asia as well, but gold did nothing today in Asia. Didn't do anything at all. We're now starting to push back down. Throwing these 50-minute rejections to the lows as well, so it's going to be interesting to see if we can actually get a closure. Jesse, what's going on, man? He's back. Back from Thailand.
I'm so fucking sick.
Oh, really? Grim. Aaron, I've wondered why I don't see you trade indices, NAS, Dow. Just can you share your opinion? Rami, I do, but recently gold's been giving me the goods. I don't trade the DAX. If I trade anything, it would be NAS. I've traded that a lot before. But recently gold's been good to me. But I'll watch the DAX today, so I'm kind of forward testing a little bit. Let's see, we had that trade that we drew out yesterday. DAX ended up rocketing yesterday. But yeah, it's not doing too much. But yeah, I'm more interested to see how gold's going to react. Let me just clean these levels up a little bit. We've got way too many on here. Let's start again. So we kind of got next level on gold is going to be probably here. Got that support here, resistance, support, little fake out there, support. So this current level on gold is going to be interesting. Keen to see how we're going to react. But it's having a pretty strong push down. We've broken this little minor support, so I'm going to come back up and potentially go lower. Pound yen's just off to the moon. Let's have a look at euro yen. Clean this up a bit. Little minor resistance there, a little support there. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how these yen pairs are liquidating massive highs right now. So it's going to be interesting to see how they can close. If we're actually going to close above these levels, or we're going to grab the highs and potentially go lower. Daily time frame on euro yen hasn't actually closed above this resistance. We've tried to once, twice, and now we're currently trying to again. But I personally think it's time for euro yen to have a retracement. I'm not going to jump in shorts just yet, but on the daily, I think it's time for a retracement. We're breaking out of this. We're way too bullish to want to short it just yet. But we'll see how today goes. Gold is pushing.
I literally just put my sim in and I'm already getting scam calls. Fucking love it.
Oh man, fuck! I get them all the fucking time. I swear,
Yeah, so...
Australia fucking give out your number.
yeah.
Literally, like when I first came here, I bought a brand new sim and I was already getting like scam calls in like the first week. I was like, how the fuck does anyone even have my number yet? How many people got? 31 people on YouTube. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. We're gonna have a good day today. We're gonna make that bread. Yeah. I want to see gold slow down a bit, and I'd like to short it back down. Right, who's in the waiting room? Thomas, Luke. Right, now the boys are joining. Howdy, Aaron, Brian. How's it going, man? Good to have you on stream. Seems so bad over here. How's it going, man? What up? What up? Trendline play on gold right now. Gold's gonna break. Gold is looking bearish. Bearish. Yen's getting weaker. US dollar's getting stronger. Nice pushers, really nice pushers here. As soon as we get this close of the 15 in 2 minutes, I'm going to look for a retracement back up to here and then shorting it down into this level for potential 50 pips. Nice 50 pip range here on gold. But let's just wait for the closure. We've got 1 more minute. How's the 5 minute looking? Was there any real entries on this? Nah, not really. Not really. Didn't even really grab any highs before this push down. Kind of grabbed them highs, but here. Wicked out that high. Nothing, no shorts there. Huge push up yesterday.
We can ride it back up after it's grabbed those lows, perhaps, or maybe even short it to the lows. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon, man. It's coming into an interesting level. It's going to be interesting to see how this 15 closes. If we do close this bearish, I think we can maybe pull up and short it down into here and into these lows.
Yeah.
And then a potential another little run higher. How did yesterday close? I think it's pretty doji. Yeah, see, it's still bouncing off the support. We've not grabbed, see here, we've not grabbed any daily highs. So I do think we can get a push back up higher today. I wonder if maybe we're going to grab yesterday's low, potentially go up higher. Could be a nice little low to short down into. Oh, there you go, cool. We've just got 15-minute closes being strong. This is nice. Now we need to pull back up and we could look for some shorts. What would that be? Down into this low, 20 pips. If we pull back up, I'd want a bit more than that. Let's see if we can because if it just keeps going down from here, there's nowhere to really short it just yet. We need to pull back up. How you feel about NAS weekly showing? Let's have a look. Gold's going to keep running down. I'm not interested in gold. Oh, look at that. Euro yen had us push down that last 5 minute, leaving these wick rejections. I won't jump in shorts just yet, but that's pretty interesting. Let's have a look. NAS on the daily is fucking messy. NAS on the daily is horrible. Incredibly messy. Weekly is looking like it could rip higher. Closed bullish. We grabbed the previous weekly low here and then closed strong. Be interested to see if this is going to flip up and push up higher into these highs. But NAS on the daily is disgusting. Look at that. It's absolutely horrible. Even the hourly. I'm not even interested in it in the slightest. Let's see. Let me see how GU closed. I'm gonna sneeze. Fucking hell. I can't type. GJ, how did GJ close? Is that 5 minute? Yeah, GJ, look at that. Left that wick. Not enough to short it just yet. But it is nice that we've started some wick rejections. I think I'm more interested in Euro yen today. Fuck, I got hay fever. How is GU and EU? Oh, look at that. Gold slammed down. No entry on gold. That would have been our TP. But no entry on gold. You gonna trade pound years during CPI? No, probably not. I'm not really interested in pound pairs today. Fuck, gold is pushing. Look at that 30. The 30 breaks its support. You could short it all the way down into, I don't know, maybe Monday's low. It should be pretty crazy. Gold smashing. Yeah, gold is smashing. This is the trade that we had yesterday. We took about 25 pips on gold yesterday. We took this on Zoom. We were longing gold into this triple top right here, buying gold into this resistance when everyone was probably trying to sell. People trying to sell here, stops above here. So we were buying into this resistance, smashed like an instant 25 pips. And then my runner literally got me at break even by the absolute pip. Before then hitting like 50 pips, I think, or 40. But yeah, it was a very nice little gold play yesterday. We took that in the London session. Played out within, 5, 10, 15 minutes, which is very nice. Very quick scalp there. That's what I'm looking to catch today. Another quick juicy scalp. Well, I would have loved to be running this short, because holy shit. You look at that high. Grabbed that previous 5 minute high. And then dropped hard. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how we're now going to close now that we have just liquidated this low right here.
No real wick on that 15 either, so that's another good thing.
Yeah, solid. Straight down. Alright, give me a sec. I need to grab a fucking tissue. I can't breathe. Any of you guys take any US trades yesterday? I was looking at some sells. I was trying to look for shorts on this little breakout here on the 5. Where was it? But it just... Here. I was going to short... where are we? I was going to short like this. But I wanted this candle here to grab that previous 5. I was waiting for that to get grabbed before I was going to put it in. But it didn't do it. And then it ran like 100 pips. I was like, you motherfucker. It was a really nice little quick little break. Really quick retest. Boom. But I just wanted to see even this wick. Just to grab a previous. I wanted to just see a previous 5 liquidated before I could do it. But then it absolutely pushed. Then after that, I pretty much called it a stream like around there. Oh, look at that. Instant rejection. Instant reaction off this low. How many people got? 45 people on stream. Nice. What other news have we got today? Let's go Forex Factory. I think that's pretty much it. Any US dollar news? No. Unemployment claims tomorrow. I got PMI on Friday for the US dollar. It's going to be pretty big. Oh, look at this. This is an instant reaction off this low. How many pips is that? Just grab the lows. Instant 40 pips. If we create some structure in here, I would, like this, I would consider buying it up into here if the pip move was worth it, but I'm probably going to wait for this 30 now. And if the 30 closes back in here, it could actually be really nice. How's the hourly looking? Because we're still around 4-hour support as well. Support, 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 resistance, support. So it's a big level for gold right now. We just grabbed that previous low. We take on a fib like this. Came down 71%. Maybe you could see it slingshot back up. I'm not gonna predict complete reversals just yet, because if this 30-minute does close bearish, we'll probably create some space in here. I'll only consider longs if the 5-minute holds above this little level, and it may just be a quick little, 40 pip retrace. But I'm not going to jump in it just yet. I need to see a lot more closures than this. Let me just get the demo account up in case we start moving. Where are we at? All right. Yes, as long as gold holds below now here now, I'm not interested in longing. Mm. 51 people, YouTube fam, remember drop a little like for the stream. As soon as you drop a like, gold will go to the moon and we'll be able to take it all the way back up. There's your yellow brick road. Look, yeah, there's a lovely yellow brick road. Huge. Speaking of yellow brick road, where is Alad today?
It's an airstrip, not even a highway.
I know. Fucking going for it.
Yeah, today Alad isn't here, right? I see 2 big yellow. Oh, I see 3 of them actually, just right now.
Yeah, that one was solid, and look how easily it got, like that price action got retraced because it was so clean here.
Yeah.
And then it pushed down.
I think we can do it again, eh?
Well, I think so. Let's do it. Long it now, all the way back up.
Key confluence is going to be yellow brick road.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You need to make a course video on that one.
I'll leave that one to Alad. Yeah, gold is just dripping. What time did this start dumper? 6:30?
If it wasn't for that pound news, would that 1 5-minute wick that took out the previous one around 2001?
Yeah.
Would you have thought about it there, or
Yeah, it looks pretty nice to me. Where did we short into? Yeah, it kind of made sense. Just stops just above. As soon as it grabbed that, could have had sales, or even maybe just to be safe, have it below that low.
Yeah.
And then instant 100 pips.
There.
Yeah, huge. Playing it down into yesterday's low, just playing it down into there, you got 80 pips, which is huge. Fucking 80 pips in like 10 minutes. Massive.
Could have done that before even jumping on this Zoom, to be honest.
I know.
Really, like, I'm not coming today, boys.
You done for the day already?
Yeah.
Are you going Thailand this week, Aaron? Yeah, I'm going tomorrow. Going Thailand tomorrow. I can't fucking wait. So there'll be no YouTube live stream on Friday. We'll still probably Zoom in the community, but I won't have my setup, and I'll be ready to go for YouTube live on Friday. So this will be the only YouTube stream of the week. So that means we have to go full margin today. Full margin. Liquidity at 1981.48. Let's see, 1981.48. Talking about this low.
It just grabbed some more at like 1987.4.
Yeah.
A little bit.
All of this. Where's the next level of interest for Goldie? Yeah, all of this. Like, see here. All of this is one huge level where we could just start to dick around. But yeah, I wonder if we come and grab this low down. We got any other trend lines coming on here? I don't like that. Oh, let's see. Did we break back above 2000 on the daily yesterday? Yes, we did. Daily broke back above 2000. It could be interesting to see if this creates a bottom wick today and closes back above for a potential flip up by the end of the week. How's this weekly candle starting to look now? We're halfway through. Yeah, we still could. We just grabbed the previous week. Yes, we have. Very nice. So on the weekly, we're still broken above this level, respecting it. We could be respecting it again to potentially have another little push back up. Interesting thing is that none of these lows were grabbed here. Before this push up, none of these weekly lows have been grabbed just yet, which is quite interesting. So you may get a spike down into there, but I don't think that's going to come just yet. Kind of got to trade what we see, and as long as we trade above this little level on the weekly, it makes sense to keep pushing up on gold. Yeah, it is at a very nice support level. Very, very nice support level.
It's 15 minute close pretty nicely on gold.
Yeah.
Back above yesterday's low.
Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that 30 now. At 30 for a big fat wick. You got 1 more minute. That's going to close. How's that 5 minute looking? Oh, yeah. Solid. Look at that. Alright. Stops are way too fucking big now, though. 40 pips. Hell no.
It's not closing above.
Yeah, I kind of would want it to close back above. Where do we have our level? Like here. Oh yeah, there, look at that, there. If I was going long, yeah, I'd need a closure back above there. Alright, 30 just closed on all our pairs. Let's have a look. So gold's rejecting the support. I think we'll probably grab the low one more time. Euro yen rejecting the highs. Could see another push up higher though. Where would we want to get a long position? Bearish, bullish. Yeah, how many pips would we have up into the highs again to run the highs one more time? So you got 7 pips up into there. Spike a little bit higher. We've just come back down, respected this support. So I wanted to get a flip up. Michael, yeah, I believe it does. I'll ask Lewis because I know he trades on his iPad. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it does. I'm not putting this long in just yet. I wonder if is pound yen looking nicer? Let's have a look. Pound yen 5 minute now. I think pound yen might spike down a little bit lower. Maybe come and grab this low. How's that 30? Yeah, huge wick. Big wick. How many pips would that wick fill? 25. I'm more interested in euro yen. If euro yen can hold this low, we could see a flip back up high. But I mean, you've only got 7 pips into the highs. It's not really worth it just yet. How did the 15 close? Are we going to grab some 15 lows? Yeah, could come and grab the 15 low one more time. But gold pushing higher. What's the DAX up to? Let's start watching the DAX. DAX breaking the support. Did the boys catch the rip? No, man, I didn't. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the rip on gold. Unfortunately not. I've taken 2 trades on gold this week. 1 break even, which was fucking unfortunate. And then 1 winner yesterday. But no, I didn't catch this move back down. I wasn't on the charts yet. But it was a very clean move. Very clean move. Off the back of that pound news as well. Huge. But no, I'm not taking anything just yet this morning. Not yet. Yeah, gold sweep the previous day low. Yeah, that's the low I was watching. It's grabbed it very well, and the 30s just closed really nice. That's why I'm interested in potentially buying. We're also at 4-hour support as well. Right here, look at that 4-hour support. But I don't think this downside momentum's done just yet. Oh, I'm going to go 54.5. But now that we've got this to come and retrace some of this, as soon as gold starts creating some structure, even if you were to long it back up into retrace some of this, you're talking 50, 60, 70 pips. So yeah, I am interested in hedge longs for the pullback before then potentially going lower. But I won't jump in just yet. I need to see a lot more, because if you were to long now, stop loss is going to be minimum 40 pips, which is too big for me. Way too big for me. Need to start doing it off the phone. I think it'll be better. Yeah, Michael, see if you can get it on your iPad. It'd be much better, because I hate phone trading. I'll never execute off my phone anymore. Euro yen could have a nice flip here. It's a shame the pip moves isn't that great. See, with a 5 lot, what would the risk be? 350. Not bad. How we got 10 more seconds. It's going to close. If we break the lows, I'm not interested. You guys watching anything else other than gold and yen? You guys sniping EU on the 1 minute? Someone is. I know someone's doing it. Where is it? Go on. Blake's got 1 minute sells from up here on gold.
Easy 18 to 1.
Here, oh man, that was an entry, to be fair. Look at that. Just EU, nice. Blake's just taking profit right here. To be fair, yeah. EU did actually have a solid push there. Wicked out loads of highs and then pushed low. How many would that have been? 10 pips. You're probably short EU down into here. Had a nice setup on EU, but it's 5 and up. You're supposed to say up. Would have been a beautiful entry. Yeah, it's kind of it was fair enough to stay out. I think with that news, that was a solid run up of pre-news, and then as soon as that news comes out, boom, grabs all the liquidity up here. Literally wicked out that double top, boom. Anyone who was trying to short euro yen stops probably here. Literally just got absolutely fucked. Stopped out, boom. Sniped EU at 0.09753, 0.09753. Ooh, all the way back here. Very nice. I'm on the 1 minute. Let me get off the fucking 1 minute. 9753. Yeah, beautiful entry. Very, very good hold. Very good hold. EA. Oh, nice, Matty. What you looking for in EA? Let me just see euro yen. Nothing yet.
DJ's pushing up again.
Is GJ flipping the motherfucker? I wonder if EA's gonna flip. Oh, Blake, let me see. Let me see your chart. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, that would be a snipe. Shame that 5 minute close is so fucking bullish. But I'm out at 2R. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, look at that. EA just ripped some highs. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Euro yen. Grab it a previous low one more time. Maverick. Here's Maverick in the chat. Joined the community last week. Good to have good community. Good to join. Side join mute stream. Thank you, Maverick. It's great to have you, man. Great to have you in. Hopefully you caught that banger on gold yesterday as well. Yeah, not worth it sometimes. Yeah, sometimes it's not, especially not before news. You can take like news trades for fun, but yeah, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's not worth it. If this 5 minute candle on euro yen can start flipping bullish without grabbing these lows, you could see a nice push up here. You'd only have a 6 pip stop loss, which is pretty fucking nice. Pretty damn nice. So let's just keep watching euro yen. Gold is going to create more space in this level. I won't really be interested in gold until we can, quickly get like this. Yeah, awesome trades. Any trades today? Aaron just joined stream now. Maverick, no, not yet, man. None yet. I missed this gold drop. I wasn't on the charts yet, but this was a clean pusher on gold. I'm looking for potential longs once we break above on gold, because the 30 minute is just liquidated yesterday's daily low here and with a nice reaction. So I'm interested in just, longing just to retrace just some of this move before then potentially going even lower. But not just yet. Or is euro yen going to flip? How long you got? 35 seconds. I'm going to draw up euro yen on MT4 just in case.
US100 just had a 20 pip gap on the 5 minute candle.
Oh shit.
What the heck?
Oh shit. Oh yeah, fucking hell.
So did S&P.
Oh yeah, huge.
That was happening.
Not on the what is that?
Oh.
Capital, I think. Capital Com.
Oh yeah, it didn't, yeah.
Oh wait, I'm on capital. Oh no, I'm on currency comp, right?
Yeah, I never use currency. I don't like it.
Yeah. Currency just seemed to be the closer one to FDMI I found.
You take any trades this week, Lewis?
I was scalping yesterday's US session.
Nice.
It was just ranging, but I managed to come up with 25 points.
Come on.
But we'll see what today brings. I want to catch a nice 100 move.
Yeah, I want a big fat juicy move today.
Mm-hmm.
Big fat move.
Oh, I have to go to a dentist in an hour.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you getting veneers?
No, I'm getting a wisdom tooth removed.
Oh, actual.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
I've been putting it off for 3 years, but the pain got so unbearable yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, that's horrible.
Wait till you get them out. Pain's way worse.
Oh no.
Mine was fucked.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The top and bottom one taken out on the same side.
Oh man.
And then I was smoking at the time, so I got like a dry socket.
Oh,
it was,
fuck.
it was
Jesus.
Let's make
Any
that
more
bank
horror
away.
stories?
Yeah.
Do you get put to sleep or not? They just rip it out. Oh fuck, that's gonna be fucking horrible.
Your injections are ripped out.
Yeah, have fun with that. Enjoy.
They might put some of that numbing glue on there.
Yeah, surely they numb it a little bit.
Yeah, they do.
Start ripping it out.
My partner had that. She had 4 removed in the same session, and like now, I don't think that's even allowed in most countries.
Fucking hell, that's crazy.
The moment gonna pass out.
What did you say?
The moment I see some flies, I'm just gonna pass out.
Get ready for gold buys. No, Maverick, not just yet. Not yet. I've just drawn it up to see what it would be, but I'm not gonna take it just yet. I feel like it's just trying to catch a falling knife if we take it yet. Ideally, I just want to see a nice strong 5 minute, and then a quick little retrace to then potentially get it. But I was just trying to see what this current 5 minute flip would be to come and retrace some of this move. You'd be looking at a 20 pip stop loss for a potential to come and grab this previous 5 or this 5, 30 pips, 50 pips. But no, I need to wait for a little bit more.
Just catching its breath at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's such an aggressive push down. But yeah, we took profit on that short to absolute perfection.
Guys. Yes, Josh. Okay, you want a birdie?
As soon as I draw on, I just saw you start laughing. Gold bumps it by 20145. All the way up there. Yeah, like overall, today, I still believe gold's going to come all the way back up to these levels to create its head and shoulders. I believe we're going to push all the way back up into here before then potentially going lower. That's kind of what we've been looking at all week. Gold's come back up here before then potentially coming back down here. Or just ripping higher. Alright, I made it. But yeah, I am interested. How's Euro Yen looking? No, Euro Yen still pushing lower. Let's have a look at the DAX. DAX ranging a little bit. For high time frame, that is, yeah, I agree. Yeah, high time frame, I think you get nice pushes. Yeah, we need to start watching the DAX. Yeah, that push was huge.
Yeah, 20 pepperonis, boom, done. Bish bosh.
I watched your liquidity day trading video, and now I can take my own trades. Jude, amazing. That's what we like to hear. I'll post it in this chat for anyone who's not watched it yet. Oh, 15's just closed bullish on Goldie, respecting this support. Fulfilling the top of this range. Respecting support, but still trading below resistance. It's my first time. Trading with you in gold. Nice. Hello, Aaron. Hope you're well. Another day to make bank. Rayad, I'm good, thank you, man. Good to have you back on the stream. Yep, another day to make bank. I'm only on YouTube live stream 1 day this week, so we got to make that bread. You got to make serious bank today, full margin. Yeah, euro yen looking nice for a flip on this 30. I was looking for buys maybe above here. Stops down here, 8 pips for another run up higher on the 30. But I will wait for potential euro yen longs with something like this. Oh yeah, gold pushing off that little miniature 5 minute flip like this. 13 pips. As soon as we get a break. Oh, that is not the bread emoji. That is not the bread emoji.
That's a bun. That's a bun in the oven emoji, that is.
I typed in BRE and it came up with breastfeeding, and I was like, oh shit, I already clicked on that.
That's what you're into.
Pump the likes, Ash. Pump them likes. Oh, look at that gold breaking now. As soon as we get closure, I'm looking for longs on gold. Now that we're getting that push back up as expected, we want it to boom, boom. This hourly is now looking not so bearish on gold anymore. Look how strong this was looking now, wicking all the way back up. Still respecting this hourly support and 4 hourly support. As long as we don't grab this 5 minute high, if we can pull back, I'm still interested in longs. Euro yen, if this euro yen closes bullish, we will consider this as well. It'll be around 9 to 10 pip stop loss, which would be very nice. Looking for a 30 minute flip back up. Flip to run these highs. How high could we play this into? What are you playing it up into? Yeah, next level on euro yen will be all the way up here, which would be 30 pips. So let's see if we get a strong 5 minute. The 15 did close bearish, so I'd probably wait for a 15 minute break of the previous 15. So what was your point of view about funding challenge? I think they're good. They have their place. If you're consistent, amazing. If you're not consistent, don't do it. GJ is gone. GJ, yeah, I'm not actually interested in GJ on that pound news. Oh yeah, ripping. Look at that. This is what we want on euro yen. This is exactly what we want on euro yen. Break these highs and push higher. Gold pulling down. Oh, is it? No, gold's breaking. Gold's got 30 seconds to break above this level. And I'm going to consider some longs. So, Mark, I know, I laugh in my head. Oh, look at that. If we had taken that 5 minute flip, not that I would have taken it. You just got 25 pips. Very nice. Very, very nice. So as long as we don't break this little high here, if gold can come back down, I could see a quick little scalp back up. And this hourly is going to be very nice on gold. Very, very nice. Alright, we've just closed. Why have we not closed there? We'd need to now push back down. How did euro yen just close? Euro yen just closed strong. Oh, let's see how euro yen's going to close. Euro yen to come all the way back up into these highs. You got a nice little 1 to 3. Alright, I need to watch both. Let's get both open. I need to see both. I have euro yen drawn up on my MT4 just in case we have to quickly snipe it. $70 people in the chat. Guys, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as you drop a like, Gold will give us a sniper entry and go to the moon. And so will Euro Yen, and we'll make absolute bread today. We should have taken that. We should have taken that long gold. Motherfucker. See, we were looking at that, playing up into that little high, 30 pips. What time is it? We've got London Open in 10 minutes. 10 minutes till London Open. Yeah, GJ's off to the moon.
Would you have found an entry there, or is that not what you're looking for?
No, not with CPI. I'm not really too interested in trying to catch it.
Oh, yeah.
I probably would have waited for it to break this high, which is the 15, and then since doing that, it's just kept pushing. I personally wouldn't have been trying to catch it down here.
Yeah, right. That's what I was wondering. Down. So what's different from EJ then? Just different structure, really. I mean.
Yeah, still, it's just creating more space, and there's no huge CPI shit on it. Friend, explain again full analysis on gold. No, just scroll back, you'll see it. I'm gonna break it down again. I'll explain it if we get close to taking an entry, but the full gold analysis, you just scroll back on the live, you'll see it. What is your strategy? It's pinned. The strategy is pinned on the top. My strategy is Euro Yen to the moon. That's what my strategy is. Euro Yen to the moon. Just grabbing a previous 15-minute high. And the main reason I'm looking for Euro Yen longs is because this 30-minute is looking like we could have a big push up higher. Oh, there she's starting to go. Oh, I don't want to miss this trade. I don't want to miss it. Yeah, gold's pushing. Gold is pushing. You in with EJ? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I just want to make sure we're actually gonna get volume. So I just kind of want to see a nice strong 5-minute here to quickly get a top wick. Bottom wick to go. But I have it drawn up, ready to execute if I need to. Could just be grabbing these little highs. See, if we start to reject here, then I would consider putting it in like this, because that should be enough of a liquidity grab. So now you could consider buys. So you just 15's just grabbed the previous 15-minute high like this without creating a bottom wick. 30.
I think
30's not flipped just yet.
that 5 and 15. We take it out first.
Yeah, possibly. Come grab these lows. Because if this 30 doesn't flip bullish, then we could grab it one more time. Hourly, yeah, hourly's still leaving a big wick. So unless it's going to flip bullish in the next 5 minutes, which I don't think so, I'm not sure. Gold just grabbed that previous 5-minute high, which was kind of my target. So how do I use MT4?
Be nice to see gold having a fake move down after London to then
5 minutes just closed. Oh.
40 pips on we up there then.
Yeah, I know. Even that little break I was looking at, that right there was instant 35. But because we've just grabbed that previous 5-minute high, that was my target, and it's instantly flip bearish off that and pushing lower. Oh, if Euro Yen can take out that previous 5-minute, I may consider putting this in like what we're doing right now. We're trading back above this little minor support, reflipping. Stop loss would be around 10 pips. 10 pipperoonies. Are we going to get the volume? But we'd have to be break even at 6 pips, which is shit. That's the only thing. I'm gonna wait.
I like that one better, the one now.
Yeah. I
I
just don't like it. Yeah, that's the thing. I just don't like that we literally have to be break even here, which is 2 fucking pips. Fuck, man. Gold gonna drop again. Yeah, I think so. That was my retracement level right there. If I was taking this long from here, that was my target. As soon as the 5 minute closes back below, I think we come and run the lows one more time. So this 5 minutes can be key. And if euro yen closes below this low on the 5 minute, I think we come and grab the lows one more time. And if gold on the 5 minute closes back within this little range, then you kind of got a little fake out to then potentially see it come all the way back down. What would you take? Down to the low 60 pips. But this is why I'm watching both, because both are in very, very key levels.
Very
good.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm officially on holiday.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah,
Can we get a round of applause for Holiday?
yes, please. Thank you. No. You need to get one of those noises on YouTube.
Alright, where is it?
26 days.
There you go. There you go. Thailand tomorrow morning, and I can't fucking wait. Hell yeah.
We haven't mentioned that for a while, have we? Thailand.
Yeah, just in case anyone didn't know, we're going to Thailand tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
You really?
Yeah, swear down. No cap. Oh, gold, look at that, gold flipping.
Must be a sign of goodness. It's a beautiful morning again.
This is the reason why I didn't want to put in EJ, is because you'd be pissed if you took that 15-minute flip, got triggered and went straight into drawdown. Yeah. As soon as gold closes back in this range, I'm interested in shorting it down into the 15-minute lows, because it's still respecting this resistance. We've just grabbed that previous 15 high, which is what we wanted. So now we could be seeing a run back down into here. And then who knows, we come all the way back down into this support and then this support down here. So as soon as we get this 5 minute close, an hourly close, I'm very, very interested. How long have we got? 2 minutes. All right, let me just get a quick drink.
It better be alcohol, right?
I know, it's it's 5 o'clock with you guys, right?
Yeah, exactly. He's going pumping the Thailand.
Yeah, 5 o'clock somewhere, right? So
5 o'clock in Brisbane.
you know what I'm saying?
Who's getting on the cans?
Is that an Irish coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Euro yen has
Smile,
already.
it's okay. Smile, it's fine. Smile. It's the smile.
Lewis getting all his teeth out today, can't.
You're dead in the zone. What are you seeing? The stacks is messy.
Did you just blow your account, Lewis?
No.
You're seeing the dentist in an hour. That's what he's seeing.
Alright, we got 5 minute closes here. Gold to pull back up, and I want to short this motherfucker. I want to short this mofo. Euro yen's just gonna flip all over the shop. Had the hourly just closed on euro yen? Yeah, I think we'll fill in this wick. I'm not chasing it though. I'm not chasing it.
Is that what you told the missus?
Exactly. You know the score.
Yeah.
So I'm interested in gold.
Get them to chase you.
I'm gonna have this, leave this drawn on, see how it would have played, but I'm not taking this. Angel, I'm good, thank you, man. chilling, ready to make some bank today. I've only had 2 trades this week. 2 trades. I'll be on and offline.
With gold.
Yep.
Where is your downside target though?
I'll be shorting it into the hourly lows. But I need a little pullback. Soon as you get a little pullback on Goldie, yeah, I'd short it down into there. Because you got potential 40 pips. Let's just get up gold on the bigger time frame. So you just closed, finally broken this support. So you probably just adjust it. Maybe like this looks pretty nice. So you got this resistance, fake out there, resistance, broken support. Yeah, I'd short it down into this level down here, and you got this third touch of the trend line now. So anyone trying to buy gold probably got stopped somewhere all the way down here, looking for this monster move. So if we can get a little retest of this level, I think we could short gold down into here. How's that 5 minute looking? The 5 minute looks like it's pushing back up now. Could take that 5 minute flip. What would stops be? 50 pips. That's quite big. That's a shit risk to reward. I wouldn't want to take that. I'm not too comfortable with 30 pips stop loss. What's the easiest way to count pips? Just use this, the measuring tool. EJ just flipped. EJ just flew. I don't think it's flown. It's only really moved. It's only moved 8 pips. But yeah, it could. If we didn't close like this and break this low on the 5 minute, I would have been considering buys above that, but not after the hourly. I wanted this to flip before then. But yeah, I think EJ could potentially push up into here, but we could now just also grab previous hourly high one more time, create a 3-pin pattern, and then come and roll over. How did GJ close on the hourly? Solid. If GJ can pull back before grabbing the previous hourly high, I'd be more interested in that. But to be honest, I'm actually more interested in gold. I want to consider some sells on gold. I would have stop loss, below here. Sorry, sell below there, but stop loss is a bit too big at the minute for me. So I'm just going to wait for a little bit more PA, and then I'll consider it.
How's that today?
Yeah, it's pretty choppy at the moment.
I'd get away with stops here around 11934. 11934, shorting it down into support for a potential 50 pip play. If we throw some signs of rejections here, I will consider putting this in. What's up, Aaron? What are things yourself you still need to wait for? If you need and want to improve in trading, depends what the struggles are. Depends what you actually need to improve on. Like, is it consistency? Is it risk management? You need to have the data so you know what you're actually doing wrong, so you know what you can actually improve on. Things you need within yourself. Oh man, loads of good things you can do within yourself. Working out, meditating, reading, exercising, doing anything off the charts that stimulates you and makes you happy is going to make you a better trader. 100%. Like I always say, no, you aren't. Wait, what? What are things? Oh, wait, Beer, do you mean things that I need to improve on or want to improve on? Is that what you mean? Yes, all right. Things that I want to improve on. Not much really. I'm pretty happy with the way my performance is going at the minute. I've adapted a lot over the past year in terms of adapting from swing trading to intraday trading. So I'm pretty happy with the way things are going. The only thing I'll want to do is just keep scaling the capital. Keep scaling the capital, keep upping a lot slowly, and just keep building. I'm very, very happy with the consistency I'm getting, but I'm still nowhere near where I want to be in trading. Still so many levels to this fucking game. So kind of next for me is just to keep building that capital, keep scaling, keep growing, keep that consistency, and by the end of the year I'll be very, very excited to see where I'm at. But yeah, recently, I can't lie, I've been very proud of my performance recently. I've been very happy with the way things are going. Oh, look at that gold pushing back up. EJ, look at that. EJ still throwing wicks to highs. I still think we'll fill in this previous hourly. Look at that, gold pushing back up. 50-minute closes back above. You could look for some longs, but it's a little bit risky. If we grab this previous 15, I think we go higher. How's the 30 still looking? 30. Oh, currently grabbing the previous 30-minute high, which is pretty nice. We've not grabbed any 30 lows just yet. I still personally, I'm not comfortable jumping in longs. I'll only jump in longs once you get a nice solid closure in the next 2 minutes to potentially boom, boom. How long we got to the 4-hour close as well? Still got 2 hours till that 4 hours is going to close. Aaron, with the measuring tool, which numbers am I counting? These ones here. Shows you how many minus points is moved. So this says 13,000. That's 13,000 gold pips. And FX pips, that's 130. There's a quick way to do it that Mark showed me. I've forgotten. Oh, you can just hold shift and do it as well, yeah. Why do you not use M1 time frame? It's just too noisy for me. Too messy. 5 minute gives me good enough snipes. I've traded the 1 minute before, but I just personally find I just get too caught up in it, and it's a very, very unreliable time frame. Same as the 5 minute. There's nothing wrong with trading it. It's just not my personal preference. I get good enough snipes on the 5, but we have taken some 1 minute snipes before. Now gold's grabbing that previous 30-minute high here. So we could sell below this current 30 down into the lows, but stop loss is 50 pips for 50 pip target 1-to-1. Not ideal. I mean, you could be aggressive and take that flip. What would that be? Still 35 is quite big for 60, 1-to-2. Long Daxi. Ash is long Daxi boy. Where's Daxi boy? I did some levels before on DAX. I don't really want to trade it in this little range. How's the 30 looking? Look at that huge sell off from that third drive into the highs that we drew. It was very, very nice. Had a juicy run up yesterday. Yeah, it's currently pushing down. GJ is just pushing higher. GJ is pushing higher off the CPI. It'd be interesting to see if GJ on the next hourly can either close above, or we're going to wick it out and the candles bodies are going to close back below here for a potential 3-pin pattern to come and roll over and retrace some of this move. Because the daily on GJ is in huge resistance, which we're looking like we're breaking right now, but we're 10 minutes into the London Open, so this daily will be very interesting. Taking trades on GJ right now is quite risky. Anywhere in these levels, you're going to get a lot of fuckery. So I probably won't trade GJ till you get the hourly. No bottom wick on this current hourly either. How's that 5 minute just closed on gold? Wicking out the highs, nothing yet. But yeah, the reason I still am considering gold sells is because the fact that we've liquidated this previous 30, which is what we would need to do if we're going to have a rollover. You always have to come and grab previous highs before a potential pushback down. So if the 5 minute can start flipping bearish, I'm considering shorting long down into the support. Or if the 30 can close above, amazing, then we could go long. But until we break above this very key support, broken resistance, I'm short gold. I'm not actually short gold, but I mean I'm short bias gold, just in case anyone starts opening 100 lots on gold shorts because Aaron said so. How many people we got in here? 80 people in here. Guys, drop a little like for the stream. Get us to 50 likes, and we're going to take some gold shorts soon. We'll be shorting that motherfucker down to the lows. As soon as we break back below this level, I'm shorting gold. Ideally, we close bearish now, then we pull back up, and then we get sells like this. Stops will be here, and then we'll look for this. Anyone trade footsie? Nah, I've watched it before, but it's fucking messy. It is damn messy. How's it looking on the daily? Wait, I thought it was in this range and it ripped the highs, come straight back down. I've never really looked at it from an intraday perspective though. It probably has pretty good moves at the open. Look at that. Well, that's CPI. But no, I've not tested it. But it'd be interesting. Have you traded it before, Bia? It'd be interesting to see if people trade it. Alright. Oh, look at this sad times. The FWA trading mark has come to an end. Look at this. Very sad times. EJ's pushing. Yeah, EJ played us a bit. I wanted them longs. EJ's pushing, but like look how we're rejecting the highs as well. If you're jumping in longs, like after you see this rejection, you're very likely closing your position. We're now filling in the wick from the previous hourly, which is very nice. So it's going to be interesting to see if we can actually close above and hold above this for more than 10 minutes. Right, gold, as soon as we get a 5 minute closure here on gold, this is the last 5 minutes of the 15. And if this 5 minute closes bearish, we should get a nice push. A very nice push. How long we got? We got 1 more minute. I have this, by the way, guys, drawn up on my MT4, ready to potentially execute as soon as this 5 minute closes back below this minor level. As soon as we close back below this level, fake out confirmed, 15 minutes leaving a top wick after grabbing the previous highs, and then we could be shorting it down into these lows for a potential 60 pipperoonies. Yeah, I've got some pretty good moves. Nice bit, nice. I'd be keen to see them. Alright, 20 seconds. 20 seconds before we open a full margin trade on gold. Are you in gold? No, not yet. So I'm waiting 10 seconds for this candle to close. As soon as this candle closes, but it has to close below this support, I'll look for shorts. 15 minute is looking real nice. 30 minutes looking even nicer. What the fuck is that? Grabbing this previous, but the 30 has to close back below this support. If it closes above, I'm not interested in shorting, so I'm not putting any orders just yet. Oh, look at that. Closed right at support. Could you have a sell in there? Oh, the 30 closed above though. No, oh no, 30 still got 15 more minutes. What the fuck am I talking about? Had the 15 close. 15, yeah, 15's leaving some pretty fat wicks. You could take this at half risk and scale in as we push back down. I'm tempted. I'm very, very tempted to put in a half risk here. What would the stops be? Stops would be around like 1995.5, 9955. I'd probably give it a 2.5 lot risk because it's quite big. Just grabbing the previous. If we start to reject here after grabbing this previous 5 minute, I'll consider putting in this sell stop. But if I do take this, it'll be half risk, and I'll enter in another risk once we actually close below this support. But if we break this high on the 5 minute, then we could still push high because, you know, we've broken, still respecting support, so there's no reason to jump in shorts just yet. But I do like the way that this is throwing this top wick. Stop loss would be around 28 pips at half risk. As soon as we start to throw some rejections here, I'm going to put this in very, very soon. Just took a 0.8% L. Did you have a EU trade, Blake? I'll have a look, man. I'll have a look.
Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Cut the loss short. Cut it early, sorry.
Good man. Good man. 0.8 is a very quick L. That's good. It's better than a 1-2%.
Yeah, well, I had 1% as the risk, so.
Yeah, nice. At least it wasn't 0.9%. How long we got? Got 2 more minutes for this candle on gold. If it closes above this previous 5, I am more interested in considering longs, but there's no real clear price action. Gold's teasing us today. It's teasing us. I've taken longs in gold. Nice. If you took longs on this support here, it makes sense. Makes sense to me. Still pushing high. I've not put in any sell stops just yet. It doesn't make sense to put in sell stops just yet. But if the 30 closes above this level that we have, 30 here, above this support, then I still think you could potentially get a pullback higher. But it's just, we're going to get a lot of fuckery in anywhere in here. Gold stock going to start to dick around a little bit. View on GU, I'll take a look. I'm just seeing how this gold's going to close in 5 minutes, and then I can take a look at the pairs. Caught that 90 pip drop in pre-London. Yeah, amazing drop, man. Huge drop. Unfortunately, it wasn't on the charts yet, but that was, yeah, banging, man. 90 pips pre-London's amazing. You don't even need to trade London. That's fucking amazing catch. How do we got? 1 more minute on gold. 1 more minute to start pulling back and closing back below here. Otherwise, we close above these highs, gold goes higher. But I'm not putting any sell orders until it looks like we're going to start to close back below here. And as soon as we do, I have this drawn up ready to go. And you could probably have like a potential 20 pip stop loss. Or if this candle's going to flip bearish, then you could probably have stops up here. But for now, it would have to be up here. I don't think it's going to pull back down in the next 30 seconds, but let's see. Who knows? Gold can do anything. Gold can pull down in the last fucking 10 seconds. This 5 minutes grab this low, so if we come back down to this low, then you probably have a nice drive down. Coming into that last 10 minutes of this 30 as well. Oh, are you going to do it? You're going to push back up? You're teasing gold. You are teasing us. I think I'm probably going to wait for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, oh, you look at that. Closed exactly, yeah, pretty much closed exactly how we wanted, to be honest. I'm not going to put it in just yet. Because now, you never know, we may come down, grab this 5 minute low, which would tag us in, and then go higher. And that's not what we want. We don't want to get tagged into a sell stop and then straight to stop loss. Otherwise the laptop will be going out the window pre-Thailand trip. We don't want that. Alright, let's have a look at GU. Someone asked me about GU. View on GU. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that euro yen failing to break above that resistance. GU. I assume it's had a strong push. CPI, yeah. Let's clean this up. Let's clean this shit up. Let's just fucking delete everything. Daily. Daily's grabbed some highs, thrown some wick rejections, grabbing these previous highs. Pushing off CPI, liquidated the lows, having a strong push up, breaking the support. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, I don't know, not much. I don't really like GU. If I was in a GU trade, it would have had to be once we liquidated these lows and broke these highs. As soon as GU starts coming into like these levels, like if you're in longs, it'd probably be longing up into here, and I'd be waiting to see how price reacts. Probably once we come maybe up into there. Yeah, gold's still pushing higher. Got out of DAX, break even. Very nice, very nice, very nice. How's she pushing? Oh yeah, fucking hell. Yeah, as soon as DAX gets into these levels, I think it can just fucking dick around a bit. It just grabbed the previous 30-minute lows, which is quite nice.
I'm watching now.
Oh yeah, nice. You looking for longs, shorts, or whatevs?
I've got a few notes written on my screen, right? Because I don't know how it moves or works yet.
Yeah.
There's a lovely like liquidity area, and I don't know if sometimes it doesn't take it, and sometimes it does. But the majority of the times it doesn't take it. You know, your level is there. Go on the 5 minute is like loads of wicks to the highs.
Yeah.
Around there.
Looking for like a boom, boom.
Yeah, so like the 15 minute was a lovely close. It would have tagged me in if I was entering there.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you.
I've been drawn down now, but I don't know if it would take these out here first and to tap this stop and reverse there.
That's a nice one. That's a real nice one.
Yeah,
I think if you were short on that, I reckon you would have managed here. I reckon he would have gone quick break even there.
Yeah,
I think you would have spotted that.
There's a lot of noise around there.
Yeah. And
if it breaks that noise, then like you got your second line there, you can come, because there's a lovely level going across there.
Yeah. It's like we broke this key level here. We retested it and we tried to bounce up, but we couldn't break the previous highs. So if anything, yeah, it looks like it's kind of flip bearish. But it's because trading now below this level, maybe you could come up and grab the previous hourly high before then potentially going a little bit lower. If it does that, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either. I really don't know. But it'd be interesting.
I think
wouldn't mind
anywhere in here becomes noise. Ooh,
I'd only trade it below there, I think.
Good gold. Sorry, wait. Let me go back here. Below, like here. This one or this one?
Yeah. Closure below.
Yeah.
Like I've got like a short template set up because I want to know how it moves.
Yeah.
And like my thought process at the time. But realistically, a candle closure below there would be very nice.
Yeah, I agree.
To break there.
Yeah, I agree. I like that. What time was our gold trade yesterday? 8 AM. Yeah, we'd already taken gold longs yesterday. I really want to catch a nice trade in London today. I don't think I'll trade US too much. So I would like to snipe some trades on gold. I'll be happy with 30 pips today. I'll be a very happy man. In the meantime, I'm gonna watch ads on Golf Tycoon.
Yeah, boy.
I need to pack. I've hardly even packed for Thailand yet.
You haven't?
Not really. I was getting all my tech shit ready yesterday, charging everything, make sure I've got everything, but I haven't really packed any clothes yet. But I'm honestly not taking much. I'm gonna buy loads of shit there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back dripped in Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Be a real Forex trader.
No. No. I do need to get loafers though.
Yeah. There's some loafers on the go.
This is my chart on DAX.
Oh, let's see. Let's see. Break even. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice. It's as good as you can kind of get it with the current price action that it's creating.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were actually talking about you before you came on stream. We were stealing your trading tricks.
Trading tricks.
Got this. What's that?
YBR baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the big road.
Don't give away the secrets.
That's why I think gold buys.
Oh, fucking hell. Let's not do that. How do I do that? Yeah, I still like overall on the 4 hourly. Let me just get rid of this. I still think gold is coming back up here.
Yeah.
Like 2030.
To be fair,
Imagine if
in
this.
the 5 minutes.
I know it's looking nice right now. I just
Yeah,
saw that before I clicked off it.
There's just no volume at the moment, is there?
That's
That's what I'm thinking.
That's my
On
only
the 5 minute.
concern. You know, if on the 4 hourly by 10 a.m. London time, so an hour and a half, gold can close back above here. Oh, I think we're logging in fucking US session, and I'll definitely be trading US session because it's looking like so bearish right now. You look at this level, but gold can do what gold does, especially on the 4 hourly. Can look so bearish and then can pull all the way back up in like the last hour, and before you know it, this has been a massive stop hunt wick to these lows and rips higher. I just don't like the third touch of this trend line. I don't like. But it will be interesting. That 4 hour on gold will be very, very key. But I want to take a trade before there, that's for sure.
Yeah.
If we grab this 5 minute low here, we liquidate a previous 5 minute low, I would consider putting this in.
I've written it up on MT4.
Nice. 30 is about to close. 30 is about to close above our support as well. So 30 could come back down and still create a bottom wick. How's EJ looking? Oh, EJ to the moon. Motherfucker played us. Alright, let's see. 30's just closed now.
Takes that out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Pull down a little bit more. I wouldn't take that as a bit too aggressive. I'd probably wait for that.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Yeah. My phone's gone wild. Jesus Christ.
Just grabbing previous 5 minute lows now. Stop. I kind of have to be there. GJ's flying. Yeah, yen to the moon. Yen pairs are booming. Booming. 30 just closed very, very strong. Not grabbed any lows yet. Are you an EJ? No, I'm not an EJ. I was looking to take EJ before we had this run. Before we started ticking around with these wicks, I wanted to take EJ on the 30 flip. But then this candle just boomed straight up. So I wanted to take this 30 flip of this high. But then we just smashed. But still, it's only 15 pips. I don't really care about 15 pips. So I don't really care when EJ goes that much.
No.
How much pip loss should be enough for daily trade? It depends. Depends on loads of things. Depends on your risk percent. That's all it is. Depends. Day trader, swing trader.
Account.
Exactly.
Pips can be greater.
Yeah. There's no real shouldn't lose this many pips a day, or all depends on how many pips you're going for, how many pips your stop loss is, how much percent your risk. But for me, I'll take like two to three trades a day max.
I just limited it now to one laptop smash a day. And one window. It's still cold here, right? So once the summer comes, I'll put it back up to 3 windows. If this was volume, I would press enter.
Yeah, I know the 30's looking juicy. 30 is looking really juicy. It's about to flip right now. Who's taking this current 5-minute flip? Someone take it for the boys. For the boys?
Yeah.
I was actually thinking that.
Go on, full margin. Give the people what they want. You know you want to.
It closes above. I'm going to place it.
Yeah.
This candle body closes above there. I'll enter.
Yeah. 15's looking good as well.
Yeah.
15 closed above. 30 closed above. Makes sense. Is the 30 just retested? Yeah, 30 just retest that level as well. It makes sense to me, sir.
1995.40 would be.
Oh, there she is.
I would a bit higher.
Yeah.
At 55. That's because of the spreads, really.
Yeah. All right, guys. Stops to break even. Just hit 1 pips. That's us done for the day. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. I would actually consider this. This is what I would be more comfortable with.
It's more of a solid stop loss.
Yeah.
The thing is, I know I'm going to enter this and I'm going to have to leave to take my nephew to school.
He will have to wait today, unfortunately. He'll be late for school.
So
He'll be late for school today,
can
Clement.
either have a high five or his savings withdrawn into my demo account.
Oh, look at this 30. This
Come
current
back
5.
on, come back on.
How many stops would this be? This would be 17 pip stop loss. I might have to put this in quick. Break the previous 5-minute high. Hit. Stop loss would be around 19 pips. I mean, 5 lots. I'll probably do 5 here. Alright, I'm putting this in. This makes sense to me. if this 5 minute doesn't flip bullish, I'll cancel the order. But this makes sense for me for this 30 minute to continue pushing up into these levels up here. If this 5 minute breaks this low though, I'm not interested. Because we'll probably just sit in low volume. But this is a nice aggressive push back down early on in this 5 minute. So as long as we respect this low, I'm happy to hold this. But as soon as we break that low, we cancel. If we break it right now, I'm instantly cancelling the order. But I have a buy stop in above this previous 5 minute hit. Stops below this low. We're coming this close to it that I think we might. I'm in long gold for 50 points. Oh, there you go. Cool. Cancel order. Alright. No longs just yet. Are we grabbing some... we are grabbing some of the previous 15-minute low.
Okay, there's some like different people could say something about when Elliot says it's extra fun for some reason. I don't know why.
This is Owly looking. Yeah, Owly's still so fucking bearish. That's what we have to keep that in mind. We do have to keep that in mind. But I'm still this level that we had here is so key. That 1 minute we're trading above it, next minute we're trading below it, next minute we're trading above it. Now what, we're gonna trade fucking back below it, and we're gonna have to short again. How did the 30 close? 30 closed above it though, right? Yeah, 30 closed above. But we have just left a nice 3-pin pattern there. We grabbed the previous 30. So now we would have to wait for a 30-minute closure, but I don't want to wait that long. I need to revenge trade now. I need my fix. Yeah. We're gamblers. We need to force trades. That's what we're here for. Gosh, fucking spill water all down here. That's alright, we got time.
My alert just gone off. I'll break even on DAX.
Oh, Daxy boy.
Oh shit, sorry.
Oh, where do you want me? Here?
No, it's fine.
Oh, Dax is fucking messy. Ash, you told me to trade Dax. You said it would move every single day, guaranteed 1 to 10 risk rewards. Yeah, and now I'm stuck in this. I'm taking 1 minute flips. I'm getting stuck in this.
1 minute.
Yeah, so clean. Look at that. You just get a fib on like this. It's pretty simple to see. You got a really nice trend line coming down here.
It's a lot easier to see the entry on the 1 second for that one, actually.
I can't afford the 1 second chart. No, see it. My demo hasn't paid me enough.
I genuinely actually thought you was serious.
What? I can't afford it.
I'll have a look at DAX on the 1 second on the other.
Yeah, go on, share it. I want to see it. Nah, past speed's been so.
7:30, 15 minute. My entry was.
Are we gonna? If gold closes back below this level, I fucking might have to take the short because we're trading back below our level, and that's kind of the plan.
Okay, Aaron, hear me out for a second. It's not actually that bad on the 1 second. Let me send you.
I've seen people trade successfully off the second chart, not the one. Not the
Yeah,
one
it's
second.
fucking crazy.
Or like the 30-second.
30 second, yeah, that's wild. Oh, did you just send it to me? Let me see. Where is it?
In the Zoom.
Let me see.
So I sent gold and DAX. DAX actually isn't that bad in the 1 second.
Oh, I just seen gold. That's fucking
Beautiful.
Yeah, to be fair, 1 second on DAX isn't that bad. Oh, gold just flipped back bearish. What would this be? Oh, I'm gonna get this in time. Stops would be. Stops are quite big. I'll take this half risk. Playing it down back into these lows, 60 pips, 30 pips half risk. Let me see if I can quickly get this in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this in if
Wait, Blake,
if I can get it.
add this indicator to your chart, to the 1 second chart, because I don't have it. It's no gap candles. I want to see what it looks like.
I got the no more gaps. What do you want it on, gold or
Do it on DAX.
on DAX?
Why is my fucking MT4 fucking up? And we can't get this in time. I'm putting this gold sell stop in at half risk on the break of this current low. Alright.
Oh, he's in.
Yeah, I got sell stop in here on this current 5. Half risk. I'm going to enter a little bit more once we get the 15 minute closure.
This is awkward. I'm gonna have to one off.
Oh.
No. Oh. Well, I'm gonna risk it for a biscuit.
Entry Maverick is on the break of this previous 15. Stop loss is around, say around 35 pips, but I'm only in at half risk. We've broken back below this our support level with a really nice strong bearish candle. Hourly is still overall bearish, and the main decider is going to be this 15. So if this 15 minute holds below, I'll enter in my second position once we get a little bit more downside momentum. But yeah, my sell order is in. How about GJ short? GJ's booming.
Don't even go there now.
GJ.
Dear Lord.
Oh, let me get gold. 5 minute, yeah. If the 5 minute on gold closes back above this level, then the 15 minute is still respecting it, and we could push higher. So this 5 minute will be key. What do I put as the entry? Just below the previous 5 minute. Depends what is on your broker, but mine's around 11918. Mine is around there. Yeah, about on my broker I've got here around 1195 119164. But if this 5 minute doesn't close bearish in the next 2 minutes, I will be closing the order and waiting for the 15, because even if this 15 flips bearish, you still need to come back up, retest before then going down. But we just had some really nice volume in there, so I want this volume to continue. If we just start to hover again, we're just getting teased with volume, no volume, volume, no volume. Go on, push, mofo. Push, please. I haven't been triggered in yet. Why have I not been triggered? Okay, there you go.
Mushrooms.
Yeah, there you go. I'm in gold.
He's in.
I am in. Now this 5 minute has to give me the volume. Give me that volume in the next 40 seconds. But yeah, I'm in this half risk. My mug's peeling. And I'll consider go and break even somewhere around these lows. But I will, if this doesn't close in the next 20 seconds, I'm already got my finger on the trigger to potentially close. Because it's got 15 seconds to close. If it's going to close bearish, it would have already done it by now. So I'm getting ready to close. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Didn't flip bearish, so no reason to hold. Okay, so 15 minute has now closed bearish, but now we could come back up and grab this previous 5 minute high. So I don't want to go sit in drawdown and potential stop loss. I'll just re-enter. So I've cut it instantly there at break even. And I will enter again once we get a little bit more volume. 5 minute flip so bearish to then go doji just shows that momentum's not ready just yet. And the 15 could still come back up. Look at that 15 minute. Still respecting the lows. I think the 15-minute pulls up a little bit higher, and then we could potentially short again.
I have to shoot off.
All right, man. Good luck.
Alright, okay.
In EU. Oh, Angel, look at that. Banger. Very, very good catch, Angel.
You're going to try and outdo yourself from yesterday's EU trade.
Yeah, very, very nice. I've held into drawdown way too often. Yeah, me too. So if it doesn't do what I've planned out for it to do, then I just have to close my position at break even. And if I get re-entry, amazing, I'll take it. I'm just seeing the markets always from that neutral perspective. You know, we've had really nice volume there. Nice strong 5-minute. To then go doji instantly around this resistance and support, we just have to manage a little bit more aggressively. And also the fact that price could come and grab this previous 5-minute before going lower. So I don't really want to go sit in, 10 potential 15, 20 pip drawdown, hoping that it's then going to flip bearish. I'm just going to wait for it to happen. It's all about eliminating the risk. Even if we drop from here, I don't give a shit. My plan is now for gold to come back up, grab this 5-minute high, and then I'll just do the exact same thing again. But yeah, I don't want to go sit in 20, 30 pip drawdown for the sake of sitting in drawdown. If price was going to go from here, this is the candle that meant the most. That's a really nice catch on EU, Angel. Let me see that. A very, very nice catch. Oh, look at that. Wick the highs. Oh, look at that. That's very, very nice. Did you catch it off that liquidity grab there?
Yeah.
Yeah, spot on, man. Oh, very nice. A beautiful entry. No, I'm gonna start fucking trading EU.
Hey, after yesterday, I've been looking at it too much.
Yeah, man, you caught a banger yesterday as well.
After that, yeah. That was a really good one.
Boys are giving me FOMO on EU. I know too many people who set and forget and take the L on the chin. Yeah, absolutely. I see a lot of other trading streamers who will just sit in drawdown for the sake of sitting in drawdown. And price is literally, if price is flipping against you and not doing what you've set out, it just doesn't make sense. Everyone, they manage their trade when it's in profit, but when it goes in drawdown and doesn't do what they want to do, they do nothing. So it's like, if you're going to manage your trade when it hits like 10, 12 pips in profit, why would you not do the same when it's going against you? If anything, you should be managing it more so when it's going against you, not doing what you've planned. So for me, trade management when I'm in profit is exactly the same as if I'm not in profit. If I'm going into drawdown, I have to be managing my position from that neutral perspective. And I'm not just going to let price go against me and go, oh, well, I've got my stop in for a reason. I'm just going to let it hit stop loss. No, that's fucking stupid. If the trade is clearly going against you and price is telling you to get out, it's not going as you expected, drop the ego, accept it, and wait and re-enter. It's as simple as that. So, like this example, 5 flip bearish to then go doji, I would have wanted this momentum to continue. So the fact that the momentum didn't continue, I'm understanding the markets from that neutral perspective, and the fact that we could liquidate some highs, and I'll just re-enter, and I'll get a better price, and I won't go sit in drawdown, which I know mentally is going to screw me over all the time. So that's just the way I like to play it. I used to love EU as my first love. Yeah, EU was one of my first loves when I first started trading, and I just haven't traded in a while. I don't know why. I have to start watching it though. EU been doing its thing. Yeah, EU's been having some really good moves recently, honestly. We split up. Cheated on me. Michael, I think you cheated on EU. You cheated on EU with gold. But yeah, no, gold shorts aren't off the cards to me just yet. I just think we're now going to liquidate this little high before potentially going lower. 5 minutes just grabbed that previous low. So if we were taking this now, just leave on it how it would have been. You know, it's not a huge drawdown, but it's still the fact that price isn't doing what we want, and be almost sitting in 10 pip drawdown right now. And we're coming very close to that hourly close as well. So if price is going to do its thing, it wouldn't be stalling so much towards the end of the hourly close. Alright, here's fucking Sammy yawning. Come here. Hello, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. You brought us good luck yesterday, so you're going to bring us some good luck today?
Here he is, the market maker.
The market maker himself. We're going long or short on gold? Long or short? Yeah, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Your breath smells, mate. Are you short in gold? No, not yet. I'm not doing anything just yet. I'm going to wait for the hourly now, to be honest. 5 minutes rejecting the lows. Previous 5 minute just grabbed the previous 5 minute low, so and then closed bullish. So no, I'm not short just yet. Not getting much volume. Kind of expected after we had this 100 plus pip move down here that we're going to have to create some space. But if the hourly does close it back above this level, then gold could be interesting, you know. But if we respect it, you know, we still could come and grab the previous hourly high up here before going lower. But I'm personally now going to wait for the 5 minute to close. Oh, does your paw need to be right on my head? Fucking hell. What are we doing? We buying gold or not? No? You don't want to buy gold? Are you guys on Zoom trading US today? Any of you guys trading it? I might try and watch it in the background whilst I'm packing.
At this rate, I'll be trading it. I really need to get just one good trade in as my challenge is coming to an end in a couple of days.
Yeah, good man. I think we'll get some volume later on. We'll get some more volume. I'll try and trade it as
down
much as I can.
3% on the challenge at the moment. It ends on the 24th, I think.
24th. What was it today?
19th.
Nice. Okay.
Just take a Hail Mary trade. Just go 3% risk.
Oh yeah.
I pretty much don't target anything less than a 1 to 3. So if I can get one good trade, that'll put me at break even, and that'll get me a pre-retry.
Nice.
That'd be smart.
Yeah. Well, yeah. If you do come to the final day of trading and you're minus 3%, it's honestly it's worth taking a crazy trade just to get it back to break even.
Yeah, 100%. I'll wait for a decent setup and then just go full margin.
Yeah.
And then let it run and make 8%.
And pass the challenge.
Yeah, pass it. Yeah. The amount of people that have done that, they've been minus 3-4%, taking a 4% trade, got it back to break even 4% in profit, and oh no, I could hold this and pass, and still close it in drawdown. It's the fucking psychology of it. You want to go?
I think if I did do that, if I did wait for a perfect trade and it was going my way, I'll just put the stop loss at the 3% profit so that I know no matter what, and then I'll just hold it for the full 10%.
Yeah, true. It's not a bad idea.
But I'm not trying to get myself to that situation.
Yeah, don't take our advice. Is gold going to close it back above? Look at this 15. 15 is whack. 30 minutes still looking bullish. I wonder if it's going to respect that support and go higher. I can see gold from both sides right now, honestly. That's not what we want. 2 to 4% a month is great. Yeah, oh yeah, Michael, 100%. 2 to 4% a month is all you need. 2 to 4% even on 50, 100k accounts. Fucking amazing returns. 2 to 4 grand a month. Fucking laughing. Yeah. It's just the getting the funding which is the hardest part. Once you have it and you build it up slowly, life is so much easier. 2.5% per month at least, and you will scale it to 30% in 4 months. Yeah, it's crazy. It's amazing. So, hey, Dad. Good boy. How's GJ looking? GJ stalling. I personally don't think I haven't missed anything this morning. I just haven't seen that much jump out. Honestly, look at EJ still throwing the wicks to the highs. No missed trades today. One break even on Goldie. Wait for this 5 minutes. This 5 minute closes above this level. It's going to be respecting on the hourly and the 30. So 3 trades this week, 2 break evens, 1 winner, all on gold. Winner and a fucking break even on Monday as well. It was ridiculous. Ridiculous. Copy trade if you're in capital, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
There's a guy, he has a good interview with my Forex funds as well. His name is Richard, and he talks about this actually. And I think he's got he's got like 600k with my Forex funds. I think he's fully allocated with FTMO as well.
Nice.
And that's what he does. He goes with 2.5% and just leaves it for the month.
Fucking hell, man. Yeah, 2.5% on like a 600k account's ridiculous.
Yeah,
what's that
well,
like?
and then another 600k because you have
18,000
prop firm going too.
Yeah. What's that? Is Richard? You say? I've just seen one here. I've not watched it. I'm gonna watch this after.
Shit, yeah, he's got an interview with FDMI. He's got one with my Forex funds.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. I'll give this a watch after. When are you gonna go to Thailand? Tomorrow. I'm going to Thailand tomorrow.
Wait, where are you going again?
I'm going to Thailand tomorrow. Did you not know?
No.
Oh yeah, I'm going to Thailand
Sorry.
tomorrow.
I just jumped in there, and are you actually in this trade?
No, man. I was in gold shorts here before, but I closed at break even. I'm just waiting for this hourly.
Okay.
Just to see, man. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this hourly.
Cheers.
All good, man. All good. Oh yeah, nice one, Luke. I'm gonna give that watch after. How's this hourly looking? Hourly's still gonna respect it.
Disappear? I'll put it in. Put it in the Discord. I don't know if this chat disappears after this Zoom is closed.
Yeah, it probably will actually. Yeah. Post it in Discord.
Cheers, I'll do that a listen.
Yeah.
Boy.
Anyone listened to any good chat with traders recently? I need to download some videos to watch on the plane tomorrow. I got like 10-hour flight.
I had a couple, yeah. I'll have a look.
I've listened to so many. I haven't listened to one in a while. If you have time.
I listened to the Blake Morrow one. I think it was Blake Morrow the other day. That was pretty good.
Blake, I don't think I've heard that one. Is that Chat with Traders one?
Yeah, Chat with Traders. Definitely Blake. Obviously, I can't forget that name. But I think his surname is Morrow.
Blake, what's this one?
Yeah, Blake Morrow.
Blake Morrow, yeah, nice. Yeah, I got that here. Sweet, I'll download that.
But these guys, the ones that I sent, I mean, he's trading stocks, I guess, but same thing.
Yeah, nice. Most of these people don't even trade like FX, but their whole like psychology to the markets is like always great to hear.
And I feel like all their stories are very similar too.
Yeah.
They're very similar.
I watched one of my favorite ones, Chat with Traders. What's his name? Lance Bretstein, if I'm saying it right.
Yeah, that's such a good interview.
Yeah, it's fucking amazing. I've watched his other interviews with other traders as well. He's a very knowledgeable dude. I really like listening to him. I probably just butchered his name.
Oh yeah.
It's a really good listen. He's a day trader as well. He went from like not knowing anything to becoming like one of the top traders on Wall Street.
Yeah, I think it took him something ridiculous, like way over 12 months of trading with one of the best traders at the time, like right alongside him, and he still wasn't profitable after a good 12 months.
Yeah, and still, like, I feel like I think he said in an interview that he was gonna like quit as well, or like he like lost a lot of money and then still like came back to become one of the fucking most successful traders.
Yeah,
and then
it's insane. I'll send it.
And then Lance Bretstein, and then typical, like sort of story. So once he had his first 100k month, that was it. Like he never went below that again.
It's insane. That's the thing. It's like the whole because like you could spend, say if like this is like the most realistic success is going to be in trading. It's like just say from here to here. Say this is 2 years, in this time frame is 2 years. The likelihood in these 2 years is that you're gonna do this and you're probably gonna do this for the whole of the 2 years, and you're like maybe you get little progression, and your progress will always be like this. And then as soon as you start to like excel, it can literally just go from like this. As soon as it clicks and everything starts making sense, you can spend 2 years knowing nothing about trading and just losing money, learning bits here and there. Then once you get that consistency, it can just, your whole trading knowledge and gains can just fucking boom.
Yeah.
It's just the years of hard work that it takes.
Have you read Atomic Habits?
No, I haven't, no.
There's a really good quote, like just pretty much based on everything you just said there. He said, if you're sitting in a room, right, and it's an empty room, and there's a table and it's got one piece of ice on the table, right?
Yeah.
And it's -6 degrees in the room. You're looking at the ice, you're concentrating on the ice as hard as you can, and the temperature goes to -4. Nothing changes.
Yeah.
Temperature goes to -3, nothing changes. -2, nothing changes. -1, nothing has still changed with that ice cube. As soon as it gets to 0 degrees, the ice turns to water.
Yeah.
It's all the back work, and it's just that one little degree change that changes everything.
Yeah, that's literally trading. Honestly, spend 2 years, 3 years just losing, winning, and as soon as you get that consistency, it can just fucking change so quick.
Yeah, I would have butchered that quote so much, but same time.
I think we both did.
All that background work, and then that one last little degree change makes the difference. It melts the ice.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let me send it here. It's so true though. It is. Same as like funding firms. You could you lose like 4, 5, 6 funding firms. You lose a couple thousand, and once you get that consistency, you get 1, 2, 3, and literally your whole fucking life can just excel so quick.
Yeah.
But it's just the years of groundwork that takes in the fucking first place that no one sees. Thanks for that, guys. I need to hear that today. Good man. Man, I literally didn't make a single penny in trading for the first year and a half. Not one single penny. I lost money consistently. It's very, very rare to have someone come into trading and just get it within like 6 months.
What were you doing? Were you just like funding your own accounts with as much money as you could, or selling things, or like just little bits here? Or?
Yeah, when I first started trading, I started trading OCT stocks. And I lost quite a bit of money on that, and I was getting screwed by the PDT rule, which at the time I hated. But looking back on it, it was actually a good thing because it was restricting me on how many trades I could take, and I was super picky. So I lost money on that, and I was funding my own money. And then I got into FX because I saw people on Instagram, doing the whole popping the champagne, you know, the Gucci clothes, the Rolex watch. I was like, hey, I want a piece of that. So I joined one of their brokers and then got put into one of their free groups. And it's so fucking stupid. But at the time, I was a student. So I took out a student loan of £1,500. And I put it into this broker and this link that they gave me. Because I was like, well, if they're making money, they're sending all their trades. How can I literally... I can't lose. If they're making money, I'm making money, right? And then I think I doubled the account really quick. And then I lost it even fucking quicker. And then I was like, trading's a scam. It's all bullshit. Fuck these guys. And then I stopped trading for like 3 or 4 months. But it never left my mind. Like, it never left, like, is anyone actually doing this consistency? Because I made money before I lost it. And I saw that it is actually possible. So I was like, let me just, you know, find people who aren't doing all the bullshit and actually learn to trade. I didn't want to trade in the beginning because I wanted to be able to call the markets well. I just wanted to make money. And then once you forget all the bullshit and you actually focus on wanting to learn technicals and being able to call the market well. And for me now, like, calling a big move on gold is more satisfying than saying I made this much money. So once you just remove the emotional attachment to the money, it just becomes so much more enjoyable. You know, you're doing it out of passion. You're not doing it just because I want to make money and I want to do all the fancy bullshit. But like, if anyone falls into the trap of I want to get rich quick, you quickly realize that it's not the case at all. It's one of the hardest things you could possibly do.
Yeah, one of my mates I know that I went to school with is a profitable trader. I'm pretty good too. And he just, when I first started getting into it, he told me it's the hardest easy money you'll ever make.
Yeah. True. Hardest, easiest way to make money, because it's true. You can make money so fucking easy, but at the same time, it's possibly the hardest way you can make money.
Yeah.
It's like gold.
Yeah, gold dicked us around. I couldn't take it again. Didn't give me another entry to short it. But yeah, gold played us. That was our original trade. Would have smashed 30 pipperoonies.
It's not the first or the last time I'll be diddled by gold, I don't think.
No, absolutely not. If this, like, prior to this push down, this 5 minute to me was flipping so bearish. We grabbed that previous 5 minute that we'd mentioned, but this 5 minute closed way too bullish to jump in shorts just yet. I wanted to see the hourly come up and create a top wick first, which is why I still honestly think we go higher now. Now that we're grabbing, I'm not going to sit and watch it. I don't think it'll come into the US session, but now that we're grabbing these lows, I think gold can now come and do the same thing on the 5 minute to this high. We come and liquidate that high later on today. But yeah, it played us there. It played us for sure. But I'm still happy with the way that I closed there. 5 minute to me here gave no reason to hold gold shorts, other than when this 5 minute closed. If you were very quick on the ball, very quick snipe. But yeah, it's okay. It was a nice call.
Correct.
It was a nice call. It was a nice call.
It was, yeah, I think managed it correctly.
Yeah.
So, I've just come back. Is there volume in the charts?
I mean, yeah, gold has just had this nice push. It's a shame we dicked around so much before it. I mean, I wouldn't say there's a lot of volume. You look at it on the hourly or the higher time frame. I still think this could flip up later on. I'm gonna have to trade US now. I'm gonna have to revenge trade US today.
Yeah. I'm not going to be able to jump on for the US.
Ah.
Sorry.
No, it's what it is. We understand. More important things to do.
The boss is done, so.
Oh, Angel, you fucking push it, man. That's a bang.
Alan, you're not going to see it for 3 weeks. What does 1 night change? I
know, that's what I said. That didn't go down very well.
Yeah, that was such a nice
You're
call.
why? You want to go and play golf, you? I was like, well, I'm booked in for 2:30.
That was a really, really nice call on gold. Shame we got such dead volume.
The shame those candles there were just poor.
Yeah, and the fact that the hourly had closed, I was like, I don't think the hourly is just going to drop down. I think the hourly is probably going to create a top wick first. But no, sir.
Mate, just put it on Instagram anyway, claim it.
Shall I? Alright, let's do it.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, get some W's in the chat.
3 to 1 for the boys.
Just to add an old MT4 screenshot from the old.
Called it for now, boys. I'll get some food.
Oh, good, man. Take it easy, man.
Very good.
See you
later.
See you, mate.
See
See you, man.
you guys. Good luck on your flights.
Bye.
Cheers, man.
See you.
You just rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's having a big old push.
Banger. EJ's wanting to drop.
Holding all like in that 15-minute roll.
Yeah, hodl. Hodl EU. Full
I was
on.
setting up that sell, and then I had a look at gold and let gold distract me.
Oh, man, I think we have to start trading EU. It's so clean. Look at that. Boom. As soon as that candle flipped bearish, bam. Slam. So clean. That liquidity grab is fucking beautiful. Flip bullish, flip bearish, boom. Very, very nice.
There's really nothing jumping up on me.
Nah. This even like I'm like assessing, did I manage this too aggressively? But I honestly don't think so. These 5 minutes here gave me no reason to hold gold shorts.
That could have flipped.
Yeah, could have just
And you would have
easily.
been- Yeah. It wouldn't be nice if you would have had
Like, you look at it.
like 1994.
Like that. There's after that, and then that. There's no reason to hold shorts. After that one,
Right.
amazing. Yeah, then we could have been like, okay, cool. If we come back up and retest, then we can get the short. But it literally didn't even give that. Just straight
If you
down.
did actually take that there, you would have timed up that stop loss heaps, wouldn't you?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, like this one.
Yeah, if you were to take that.
Yeah, I would have probably looking to do it somewhere around here, maybe around 20. Because we grabbed that previous 5 minute high, which is what I wanted to see. Grab that, and then boom.
Yeah.
I would have just
That's a
wanted.
nice move.
I just would have wanted after that 5 minute close, this 5 minute just to come up, quick little retest, and then we could have had our sell stop in, stop loss like there, boom. But it's okay.
Oh, look at that drop on US100 yesterday.
Oh, it was huge.
230. Yeah.
Yeah. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. 130 points.
So it looks like we had 2 chances on EU. I'll just put it in the chat.
Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Yeah, that top one was so clean. Even the second one's nice. Yeah, I like that. We've got to start trading EU now on the 1 minute.
It does give out some pretty nice opportunities, like either that or GU, like GJ and EJ.
Yeah.
Notice in Asia, one or the other quite often gives up something nice.
Yeah, we might have to get it on. Trade oil. Yeah, I used to trade oil. Oh yeah, oil with the dump as well. I used to trade oil a lot. A lot.
I just don't know.
Some of my best trades have been on oil. But you have caught some fucking bangers on oil before.
Yeah.
I haven't traded in
I
a while
lost. I'm failed in the same trade.
though. Oil coming to fill in that gap. Look at that. Yeah, I wonder. I might do a little back testing session, see what oil's like to day trade in London. Where was London
Fucking
yesterday?
profit and tax.
Oh yeah, how's she looking? Oh fucking hell, disgusting.
Yeah, it's fucking buzzing. Yesterday was such a clean move though.
Yeah, it does have some good moves. It really does.
I would like to know. I'd like to enter a position and know.
Let me see.
The value of it.
I think it's quite big.
I got a feeling it's quite big.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll be able to open a 0.50.
All right, give me 2 secs. All right, where we at? Let me go to this. What's going on here? All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. One trade today, one break even on gold. Unfortunate break even, but the price action was just a bit meh prior to the drop, so it gave no real reason to hold. It was a little bit somewhat aggressive management, but in my opinion, good management. If that had gone against us, and we would have been kicking ourselves. So that's pretty much it for me for London. Now I'm going to come back with the guys in about 2 hours to see what the US session is saying. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's stream. If you did, remember, drop a little like. Currently for the week so far, I'm 1 break even, 1 winner, and then another break even on gold. So good start to the week. Going to see what US session is saying later. And then come back again for London on Friday. I won't be streaming on Friday just because I'm flying out to Thailand tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll be set up in time. But either way, hopefully I'll be back to the streams next week as well. But if you guys want to check out any of my other travel trading videos, I just posted a video about what it's like being a day trader here in Australia. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free. But until next time, thank you guys for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. And I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.